Hey, Mortenn, tell them about the shell.
Yes, the deck shell.
Yeah?
I made a deck shell. It's a deck shell for switching a deck of cards, and it's really the best. And that's not just my words, even though I just said those words. But it's really good. It's very practical. It's probably the easiest deck shell to ever use, and I've used all of them. And this is really the best. And again, that's not just my words, but it's the best. I think it's the best.
Yeah.
You agree?
It is.
It's the best. Yeah. Wait, this is a real shuffle. Why am I shuffling? No, wait a second. I have blue cards. No blue cards. No blue cards. I hate blue cards. Okay, I'm still shuffling for real. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So because of the design of the shell, even when I do all my other stuff, they stay secure in my pocket, and I can remove it with one hand and even place it down on the table with one hand and pick it back up without the cards moving. It's really the best shell that... Did I flush? Okay, one second. Okay, wait, okay. No, just go. No. It's perfect for stage. Look at this stage. I can do this here. It works here. And it's perfect for close-up. Okay, perfect. Perfect for close-up. And it's perfect for parlor magic, which I've chosen to symbolize with an elevator, which really means you can perform this deck switch anywhere. Anywhere. Where am I going? Okay, let me just... Okay, bye-bye. This is the wrong button. Okay, I'm just stuck here forever.